Hello everybody. After 2 months of traveling throughout Central America up to Costa Rica, I'm now back in Mexico, and I'm exactly in Puerto Escondido. For the Italian audience, Puerto Escondido is pretty famous because it was in 1992 an Italian comedy by Salvatore, and I mean, I think for many Italians that movie put this town on the map. And but it's pretty lovely. As you can see, I'm right. I'm in a hostel right now, but I'm right above a beach, and yes, I can go down to this beach area, and the water is very nice as well. And so what about me? Honestly, I'm very tired. I mean, 4 days ago I did a transfer from Guatemala, Lake Atitlan, to Mexico, San Cristobal de las Casas, and it was a 10.5 hours trip. And I think since then I haven't recovered. Very simply, I've got a bit of pains everywhere. But anyway, let me show you a little bit about this. And yeah, here you can see it's where I am. It's a little bay, and with its own beach, and it's very nice. It's not the main beach of Puerto Escondido, but it's much nicer. So if you like these updates and also these videos, please subscribe to my channel. I have also many more trips planned and we'll see if I can make them. So all the best to everybody, and so goodbye.